This is a doormat. I wipe my shoes on the doormat. This is a curtain. I open the curtain in the morning. This is a pillow. I put my head on the pillow. This is a doorknob. I turn the doorknob to open the door. This is a sandwich. I eat a sandwich for lunch. This is an umbrella. I carry an umbrella when it rains. This is a mirror. I look in the mirror. This is a camera. I take photos with my camera. This is a bicycle. I ride my bicycle in the park. This is a flower. I smell the flower. This is a suitcase. I pack my clothes in the suitcase. This is a ticket. I check my ticket before the trip. This is an elevator. I take the elevator upstairs. This is a refrigerator. I keep food in the refrigerator. This is a toothbrush. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. This is a shower. I take a shower in the morning. This is a wallet. I keep my money in my wallet. This is a pillow. I sleep on a soft pillow. This is a key. I use the key to open my house. This is a helmet. I wear a helmet when I ride. This is a backpack. I carry my backpack to school. This is a map. I look at the map to find the place. This is a restaurant. I eat dinner at the restaurant. This is a bus stop. I wait for the bus here. This is a library. I read books in the library. This is a mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. This is a lamp. I turn on the lamp at night. This is a clock. I look at the clock to check the time. This is a chair. I sit on the chair. This is a spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. This is a fork. I eat food with a fork. This is a refrigerator. I keep food in the refrigerator. This is a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket. This is a hanger. I hang my clothes on a hanger. This is a drawer. I keep my clothes in the drawer. This is a comb. I comb my hair with a comb. This is a stove. I cook food on the stove. This is a knife. I cut my food with a knife. This is a plate. I put food on the plate. This is a cup. I drink tea from a cup. This is a bowl. I eat soup from a bowl. This is a button. I fasten the button on my shirt. This is a napkin. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. This is a faucet. I turn on the faucet. This is a shoelace. I tie my shoelaces. This is a sink. I wash my hands in the sink. This is a soap bar. I wash my hands with soap. This is a zipper. I zip up my jacket.